Search MR635 from our website in the search bar, and turn to Template page.
Choose the right template format you need and download to use template.
First, check if the paper size is correct. Check paper size under Word print setting. Make sure it's letter size or A4 size. Then open Printer Properties. Check document size. Make sure it's the correct paper size, letter size or A4 size. Open Options from MS Word. Select Advanced. Scroll down to Print. Uncheck box of Scale Content for A4 or 8.5 by 11 inches paper sizes. Open the Printer dialog box and select Properties or Preferences. Check document size to see if it's the correct size. Then go back to Printer dialog box, select Actual Size under Page Sizing and Handling.